How to change a password on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Twitter application on a device. Then tap on the profile picture at the top left corner. Now simply scroll down. Then tap on settings and support. Now go to settings and privacy. Now on the settings page, simply tap on your account. Now under account information, simply tap on change your password. Then tap on current password. Now enter the current password. Then tap on new password. Now type your new password. Now once you're done, simply tap on confirm password and repeat the same password and then tap on update password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.